Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringer.10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for JP Associates. JP Associate is the JPASSOCIAT is the ticker name, and right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on the stock to do the technical analysis, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Okay, for regarding data for JP Associates, we have data since 2009 onwards up to 2017 November 16th. Okay, when it comes to the historical price path pattern, this stock has been going down since quite a long time, and that you can clearly see. Actually, once upon a time, this stock was trading at 181 rupees, and today the stock is trading at 18 rupees 60 pice. Okay, that is the today's price. There are a small few ups and downs, green candles, red candles. You can see wherever green candle is there, that is a profitable day, profitable month, and wherever red candle is there, that is a negative this thing last month, because this particular chart is a monthly chart and every candle represents 1 month. Okay, and in this, if you look at this month, here you are seeing some small green candle, right? This is the November month. Okay, right now today is November 17th, and so far this particular stock has been in moving in upward direction in this particular month. But if you look at the overall long-term investment, you can clearly see, you can easily guess if you are watching my videos so far that whenever a negative super trend when a stock is under the influence of negative super trend mode, I don't recommend such kind of stocks. So even this stock falls under that category, and right now you can clearly see that the stock has been since December 2011 onwards, it has been under the influence of negative super trend mode, and still that mode and still the stock is continuing in the same mode. Okay, though there are a few spikes here and there, maybe short-term traders might have definitely benefited here and there, but long-term investors definitely might have got loss when it comes to JP Associates after investing in JP Associates. From December to that means 2012 onwards, whoever had invested, definitely they might have got some loss, faced some loss. Now, if you look at the overall position, what is the current status right now? If you look at that, there is small hope, but so many negative points. We are at to. I will let you know slowly. Okay, now if you look at the moving average, this stock is yet to cross its 50-day moving average, and it is again just now it crossed its 20. And right now it is under the influence of just now it has come under the influence of positive super trend mode, it seems like that. Yeah, and it has come under the influence of positive super trend mode, and relative strength is just at the midpoint. Strength is very weak, and direction strength is also weak, and stochastics is going down, and price volume is rising up, but again right now it is maintaining constant the last 2 months onwards, and momentum is just lying on the baseline, though it is positive. And from when it comes to bullish and bearish, right now the stock is under the balance of power is something which tells you that the stock is under the bullish phase or bearish phase right now. And elder ray is we always have to look at the readings of balance of power with elder ray, this thing. So I took this as a supportive thing for balance of power, and you can clearly see that in elder ray, elder ray indicator is showing the green signal, the green histogram bars here, complete green histogram bars without any red touch. That means red is for the bearish and green is for the stands for the bullish. Now it looks like at this moment the stock has just come under the influence of positive super trend mode, which you can clearly see here. The green line here stands for that. Yeah, this one, no, this one, and which and again the same thing is getting reflected in elder ray, whereas balance of power is still not showing that one. But again, when it comes to the remaining signals thrown by these indicators, everything is in the initial stage, and some are definitely in the negative stage. So, as per my conclusion, as per my analysis, I think that the stock, we need to wait and watch. we need to wait and watch, and until I mean a few days further. We will come back to the stock after a few days, but until then, cannot be recommended for long-term investment because we are not seeing any significant signals here, which makes the stock eligible for long-term investment. So there are a few spikes here and there after the stock has come under the influence of positive super trend mode. But that's it. And when it comes to the long-term investment, we need to look at the same stock from a different angle, and we have to compare the stock with different benchmarks. So I'm right now not seeing that sort of benchmarks here. So we'll come back to the stock later after a few days, and then based on the new signals or the new whatever new parameters, then we will do the technical analysis. But until then, the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment, but you can do short-term trading in this stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.